G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a lovely home, 8 Salander Avenue in the popular suburb of Urraween. We are only minutes away from just about everything that makes Hervey Bay great. Let's go and take a look around. This stunning inner suburban oasis was completed in late 2010 and is positioned on an elevated 5,015 square metre allotment, making it the perfect low maintenance home for the busy professional. Immaculate and beautifully presented in the highly sought after master plan community of Augusta in the popular suburb of Urraween, you will enjoy the convenience that comes with being located close to essential amenities including shopping centres, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course and everything else that does make Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that truly create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The galley-style kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes beautiful stone bench tops, which will be ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. There is loads of storage and a pantry, plus quality appliances which include a gas cooktop with range hood, oven and a dishwasher. The laundry is also positioned off the end of the kitchen and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. This stunning home utilises its space perfectly, with vast open plan indoor living areas seamlessly opening out to the fantastic alfresco outdoor entertaining area. There is also a second sitting area with shade blind. This is where you will kick back, relax and take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate whilst relaxing at the end of each day or hosting an array of life events. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan main dining and living areas, as well as the main bedroom and guest's bedroom. All 4 bedrooms include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and lavish ensuite. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet as well. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. There is also space to accommodate an RV or caravan to the front of this home. This home is also highly energy efficient and comes complete with a large solar power system at approximately 6.6 kilowatts, and there is also a 5,000 litre rainwater tank. The owner has committed to selling this lovely home and is now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity to call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.